Greetings to you, my people. Today being the 30th September 2025, the last day in the month of September. Wherever you'll be watching this video, I say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time that you'll be seeing this video and depending on your location. Please keep encouraging my video with your comment and with your like. And in case today is your first time of coming across this video, please follow this video, my page, follow this page, like and comment, and God is going to bless you. In this my today video, there is something I want to talk about that you will like it and you will love what I want to talk about in this my today video. Please watch to the end. What I want to talk about in this video is what that is capable of spoiling your prayer. What that is capable of making it look as if you are wasting your time in prayer. Hear me? There is no power anywhere that spoil your prayer. You are the power that sponsor other powers. You personally, you are the power that sponsor other power to spoil your prayer. If you personally did not spoil your prayer, no other power anywhere can spoil your prayer. Don't allow anybody, don't allow any preacher or whatsoever the name they give to themselves give you an impression that you praying is not enough, that prayer is not capable of solving your problem. Don't allow any preacher of the gospel or any name they call themselves begin to give you this impression that you need to bring money so that they can raise an altar with animal, or bring money to do this and do that before God can answer your prayer. Those are formats Yahoo boys are using to scam their victim. Please don't fall into such scamming. Don't fall into such scamming and don't fall a victim of those cheap scam. Let me tell you, there is nothing prayer cannot do. There is nothing, absolutely nothing prayer cannot do. There is no yoke prayer cannot break. There is nothing you are expecting from God that prayer cannot bring into manifestation. In fact, as a matter of fact, the Bible says something, and Jesus said, he said, this kind goeth not out except by prayer. That was what he said. He said, except by prayer, except by fasting. So no matter the kind, he said, this kind goeth not hard. And when Jesus was saying that thing, there was a difficult situation that came before them, a very difficult situation, and Jesus have to say, this kind goeth not out except by prayer. If you are praying and you look as if what you are praying for is not going to be hard fasting. If you go to Esther chapter, I think Esther chapter 4, Mordecai was telling, when Mordecai was talking to Esther, what they said was, they was telling them to pray. Esther was telling the people, Mordecai and the Jewish people, to pray. And the Bible said they prayed, they fasted for 3 days. Hear me, there is no power that can spoil your prayer except you personally sponsor it. You are the one that can spoil your prayer. The only thing that they can do is to hold the manifestation of your prayer. That is the only thing. Like what happened in the book of Daniel, that the Bible says, and the prince of Persia, they held the manifestation, the answer of Daniel's prayer. But Daniel kept praying. He was not distracted. He kept praying. As he was praying, he was not even up to 21 days. The answer was released. Now, I want to be telling you what that can spoil your prayer, because you personally is the only person that can spoil your prayer. Like now, you are a Zion member. Like me personally, Evangelist Godwin, I love referring to Zion because I'm a Zionite. So that does not mean that there are no other good place to worship, but I personally am a Zionite, so I must use Zion to make my references, because I love the ministry of my spiritual director, Evangelist Chukwebuka, anozi obey. Now, what that can spoil your prayer? I will be taking time to be talking different things that can spoil your prayer. Now, the one I want to talk about in this video that can spoil your prayer now, because a lot of people put more effort. You put more effort in praying. You know, you like, if you go to Zion Cry, you see when prayer point is going on, you see people, they are praying, they are praying, they are praying. Now, a lot of people spoil their prayer in this way, and there are other ways, but I will be talking on this one today in this my video. Why I will talk on other ones that can spoil your prayer. Now, as a single guy, you are not yet married. You are not yet married, and you know that you are not yet married. Now, after praying, putting more effort in praying, you finish praying. Before you know it, you went and you commit fornication. That act alone, you see, that act alone, you have spoiled your prayer. Now, you are the power that is spoiling your prayer. That act alone, you have spoiled your prayer. You can call it, it's my fiancé. She's my fiancé. Is my fiancé. Now, you are permitted to, to have, okay, this person is like, I'm monitoring her, I'm monitoring him, and it's like, we'll get married. But you are not permitted to sleep with each other. So anytime you put more effort in praying, and after praying, you went to this person that you are looking at him, you are looking at her, because you want both of you to get married, and you sleep with, you have sexual intercourse, you are spoil your prayer, you are spoil your fasting. Now you are a married person. Now you are a married person. You are a married person. Now you have husband or you have wife. Now you have put so much effort in praying, expecting a miracle. Now, after you have put so much effort in that prayer, now you came out from that prayer point, place, and now you went into an hotel or you went to somewhere to drink beer. From there, you see a sister, and before you know, you are being overtaken by maybe one thing or the other in her body. Before you know it, you landed in a hotel room and you are committing adultery. You are spoil your prayer. These are the things that spoil prayer. So anytime you are praying, or as a believer, or as a true Zionite, try and avoid this thing I just said now, and you will see that your life can never remain the same. Your life can never remain the same. In my next video, I will be talking on other things that can spoil your prayer. Hear me, I say it. No power can spoil your prayer except you will be the power that will spoil your prayer. Stay tuned as I tell you more about what that can spoil your prayer. Remain blessed. Cashew.